Y'all ever had a milkshake before? What? Do you guys know that they allow a certain amount of blood into cow's milk? The more you know. This is sharp, don't touch it. Stranger Things Season 3 is out. This is a Snickers ice cream bar. I have 2 of them. I didn't wash my hands before this. I know I said that they allow a certain amount of blood into cow's milk. Do you guys know that they allow a certain amount of blood into cow's milk? So that's why I got the almond milk out, but I found some cow's milk in my fridge. I do not know how much milk you add. I'm gonna blend this in slow-mo. Me and the boys be like, it smells like pennies when I push it. This is how much milkshake I got out of those 2 ice cream bars. Y'all like my metal straw? Why is there still chunks in here? It's what the frickin' blender's for! Piece of crap. Screw the turtles. Colby. This is sharp, don't touch it.